This is a video about writing on a Word document. What you need is a draw menu. If you don't have the draw menu when you open up Word, go over here to a blank area of the ribbon. The ribbon, of course, is this area that shows you all your little shortcuts. And right-click on it. When you right-click, you'll have two choices: customize the ribbon and collapse the ribbon. Choose customize the ribbon. Now you're here in all your options. Make sure you're here at customize ribbon, and you want to be here main tabs, and make sure the draw menu is checked. And click on the OK. Now you should have a draw menu. Click on the draw menu. What you'll see here in the draw menu is a bunch of pens of different kinds. This is the pen. If you click on it and use a little drop down, you can change its thickness, you can change its color, you could even put some more effects in it. This one is a pencil. It writes much thinner. These are various highlighters and other kinds of pens, and you can change what pen or pencil or highlighter you have in here. I generally go with this one. Make sure you have clicked Draw with Touch. Now you can draw with the mouse, or your finger or your stylus. You want to erase it, you click over here where it says Eraser, and you go over it with the eraser. And back to Draw with Touch. If you want to move the screen, there's Select, and you can slide up and down. And you go back and erase or draw some more. There are other things here you can use. There is ink to shape, for example. You could click on ink to shape, draw a shape, and it will change it into a nice shape. You can do the same thing with ink to math. You can write some math here. And insert it, and there you have a nice equation. You'll notice, by the way, when you do that, you're over in the equation editor, which is the subject of a different movie. And so you'd have to click off of that somewhere else and get back to the draw menu. And that, in a nutshell, is drawing on Word.